What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to show you how much I'm buying Alti tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I did go big in with Alti, but I want to show you that there is a YieldMax ETF that is way better than Alti, and I'm starting to buy it. And thank you, M1 Finance, for adding them. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out this YieldMax ETF right now. This one I've been begging and begging and begging and begging for M1 Finance to add, and they finally did it. CHPY ETF, the YieldMax Semiconductor Portfolio Option Income ETF. It has gone up. It is 54.74. So we need to look inside of it and see what's so good about it. So one thing, it has a distribution rate of 38.50. It's an actively managed ETF that seeks current income and capital appreciation via direct investments in a select portfolio of semiconductor companies. CHPY aims to distribute such income on a weekly basis. Now, let's look at some things that are good about it. Performance has done well, and its distribution has done pretty well too. So we'll just start in May, for example. 521, 39 cents, 528, 38 cents, June, 34 cents, and then June 11th, 40 cents, then June 18th, 40 cents. Then we have June 25th, 37 cents, 42, 34, 37, 41, 38, and 40 cents. So I like the distribution. The thing I like even better is that it's part of the select portfolio of 15 to 30 semiconductor companies. It seeks to generate income primarily by writing, and says parentheses, selling options contracts in some of its portfolio semiconductor companies. CHPY aims to distribute such income on a weekly basis. CHPY seeks capital appreciation via direct investments in a portfolio of semiconductor companies. So, what's so good about it? Now, again, the NAV is good. The gross expense ratio is 0.99%. I'm happy about that. Look at the holdings, the top 10 holdings. Broadcom, NVIDIA, Qualcomm, AM Research Group, AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, Taiwan Semiconductors, KLA, Micron Technology, Analog Devices, and Texas Instruments, and I'm going to go even further. We have a little bit of Intel, it looks like, and Clack, and Moo, and I just love that NVIDIA's there. That is the one that I really like. Let me jump back to that. And look at the heavy hitters, again, that I want to go over. Broadcom and NVIDIA. Now, these are two, I have Broadcom in my dividend portfolio, and I also have it in my IRA. And NVIDIA I have in my IRA. I love NVIDIA. I mean, I'm very deep with NVIDIA. I'm going to be continuing to buy NVIDIA. And Taiwan Semiconductor, that's another one I have in my dividend portfolio. Good dividend grower. If you watch my videos, and please subscribe, by the way. So you have these holdings versus Alti. Now let's go over Alti. Now Alti right now is $5.95. And again, if you look at the distribution of Alti, you get 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents. And the NAV, it's holding up. I mean, it's starting to get there. But again, they've made changes to fix it. I'd love for it to recover. I know it's stable in the sixes, but you know, a market takes a downturn. What are we going to do? So again, nothing is perfect. Now I'm going to use Alti. This is what I'm thinking about doing, using Alti to buy CHPY in one of my portfolios. So I'm going to show you my strategies with adding Alti to CHPY. I think that's what I'm going to be doing, is using Alti to kind of turbocharge some of these option income ETFs as a just in case scenario. And Alti has done extremely well, But if I can use that income each week of Alti to buy that, and I can use maybe my other options income ETFs to buy Alti each week, you know, the Rex shares and some of them, and just buy Alti or BTCI and all those, that's an opportunity that I may do. So again, I like CHPY better than Alti. I'm just going to be straightforward with you. I like the NAV. I like the distribution. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but I do think long-term wise, I think CHPY might be the better option. Of course, I'm not giving financial advice, but this is probably one of my favorite options income ETFs, to be honest with you. And with my dividend investing strategy, using the income from Alti to buy CHPY, LFGY, all those, probably FEPI, and all them, AIPI, I may do that. I'm excited to make that move. And with HOOY coming up, you know, to M1 Finance and the big distribution by PLTY, I'm very excited. And I may just use the income of all that stuff that I'm generating back into Alti. So, and then I'm going to use the Alti income to buy the other stuff. So it's a good headache to have, and it's an excellent strategy to have, because I'm going to show you something. I'm potentially on pace of making $5,595.05. That's going to be all reinvested, PLTY, with a good income, and very excited for the distribution of Alti, and to get Alti bigger to buy that section. I think it's a no-brainer, and I'm going to use the other income from the options income ETFs to buy Alti. So it'll be kind of a chain reaction, and then the income from the options income ETFs, which I'll show you, they'll buy the dividend growth stocks. So it's going to be a new strategy that's implemented, but I think it is something that's long-term wise, I think will help with my dividend growth stocks, because if I can throw $5,000 a month into dividend growth stocks, build it up even more, get more powerful. And again, the goal of my income with Alti, PLTY, and all them is to buy dividend growth stocks. I like those, but again, I like diversification, and I do think, you know, dividend growers long-term wise are good winners. And I want to raise. I don't want to just get 10 cents like Alti. I want to get $1 raise. I want to get raises every year, you know, from really good dividend growth stocks. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so not miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. Take care and have a good one. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware and do your due diligence. Go to your financial advisor for financial advice. Go to your tax advisor for tax advice. It's very straightforward, very simple. Do that. Get it over with. You know, don't go to me for financial advice. I'm going to be very straightforward with you. I don't give financial advice. I'm doing this for entertainment purposes only. I'm showing you my passive income journey. Take care.